So today our story was Missing Mittens, and we learned about odd and even numbers. And so we are going to learn about how you know if a number is odd or if it's even. How do you know if a number is odd or even? Well, I'm going to show you a trick. So I've wrote on a piece of paper odd, and on this piece of paper even. And I'm going to draw a line down my page, just like so. Now, I'm going to use these mittens to help us figure out if numbers are odd or even. I'm going to take turns going back and forth and placing the mittens on one side or the other. I'm going to start with number 1. Number 1 is odd because it doesn't have a pair. This mitten here does not have a pair. There's not one to match it. But if I put the second mitten down, mitten number 2, there's a pair. 2 mittens. It has a buddy. Mitten 3 does not have a buddy, so it goes on the odd side. Mitten 4 has a buddy. See, 2 mittens here, 2 mittens here. So number 4 is an even number. I'm going to go back to the other side. Number 5. We're running out of room here. Number 5 does not have a pair. It's an odd number. But if I put another one down, number 6, they are a pair. So number 6 is an even number. Number 7 doesn't have a pair. It's an odd number. 8 is an even number. It has a pair now. 9 is an odd number. There isn't a pair. Number 10 has a pair. So it is an even number. Now let's practice determining if we have an odd or even amount of bears. I'm going to reach in and grab a handful of bears and use the same strategy that we used with the mittens to determine if we have an odd or an even number of bears. You can see I have 1, 2, 3 bears. Do you remember if that was an odd or even number? Let's figure it out. I'll start on this side with 1. It doesn't have a pair, so right now we're odd, even. There's a pair. Odd. So we know that 3 bears is an odd number. 3 is an odd number. Let's try it again. This time I'm going to get a bigger handful of bears. Ooh, that's a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is an even number. Every bear has a buddy. So that is an even number. Let's try again. This time I'm going to use all yellow bears. All right, let's see what I found here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is this number odd or even? Does every bear have a pair? They sure do. So 8 is an even number.